This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming what you have. Intel HD Graphics 5500 and your exact Windows edition. Once done, create a restore point and back up critical files so you can roll back if needed. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and note the current driver version. Then decide. Use the laptop maker's OEM driver for stability or Intel's generic driver for the latest features. Now download the selected driver package, but do not run it yet. You'll prepare the system next. You should reduce background interference. Perform a clean boot or boot into safe mode if you expect conflicts. Next, open Device Manager, right-click the Intel adapter and uninstall the driver. Check the Delete the Driver software for this device box when available, because that forces a true clean install. Once that completes and you've rebooted if required, run the new driver installer as administrator. Choose a custom or clean install option when offered, so leftover files don't persist, and then let the installer finish. After installation, reboot your PC to finalize changes, and then verify the driver version in Device Manager and the Intel Graphics Command Center. You should test basic display functions, resolution options, multi-monitor behavior, video playback, and GPU-accelerated programs to confirm stability. If you encounter black screens, stuttering, or crashes, make sure to use the restore point first. Otherwise, open Device Manager and roll back the driver or install a previous stable version. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.